have been doing so good at keeping my apartment clean because I have this mindset where instead of letting things build up to an unavoidable mess, I clean a little bit every single day so it feels way more manageable, and I feel way less stressed when I have a cleaning day, because a lot of times when I started to clean my apartment when it was a disaster, I would give up like halfway through. So in today's video, I'm showing you how I clean my entire apartment and make it so it's more satisfying than stressful. So I have a lot to get to in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this is motivating. So let's get started. Here are the cleaning supplies we're gonna be using today. I laid them all out and it's looking so cute. I don't know what it is, but I just love the look of cleaning products. Like, are you kidding me? This is so cute. But anyway, no, I just wanted to show you guys like what I use pretty much when I clean. This stuff is insanely good for scrubbing. If you guys were curious, this is what I use. I just love making every aspect of my life aesthetic. Start over here in my living room. It's not even that messy. There's just a couple things that I want to pick up and clean. I feel like this area of my apartment is what you guys see the most in my videos. I love having a living room. I'm gonna turn on the TV because that is what gets me through a cleaning day. I need to have like music playing or my show on. Guys, this is completely necessary. Ew. I decided to move this plant behind the couch and I love how it looks there. I also am trying to like stand it up slowly, so I have like a bunch of these ties and like rods in here to like help it straighten out. So hopefully it just keeps growing up, but I think it looks so good here. And with the rest of my living room, I thought about putting it in that corner, but I think it's just too much over there. So I feel like it's really bringing everything together with the plants. I just cleared off this entire section of my apartment. Oh my God, it looks so good. I've been trying to keep this entire area of my apartment clean, so honestly it wasn't that dirty, but I've been needing to do a little bit of a deeper clean lately where I wipe down all the surfaces. I like put the couch back together a little bit. I am going to wipe down my mirror and I watered all my plants. It looks great, but I need to do the floors. The rugs are honestly holding up really well. I've been so careful, especially with this one since it's white, but the hardwood floors get dirty in 2 seconds. Like, I don't even know how it's possible. So we're gonna do the floors. I'm gonna sweep, dust, and mop. We're gonna do everything. Also, I really wanted to hang my guitar on the wall like I've been planning for so long, but I don't have a drill yet. So we're gonna have to wait on that. Actually, I do have a drill, but I don't have like the drill bits you need. Hopefully soon I'll be able to do that. Now it is time to do my dishes, which I've been putting off for way too long. I don't know if you can tell my favorite color. Like, this pink color is all over my apartment. Okay, wow. My sink is literally shining. I don't think I've ever seen it look this clean. How crazy. It's like blinding. It's actually so shiny. I didn't need to go that full out. I'm impressed. So I am finishing up the last couple things upstairs before I move downstairs. If you guys didn't know, my boyfriend and I live in a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment, which is actually crazy. But what I love most about this apartment is that the upstairs is the living room and kitchen, and the downstairs is our room and then my office desk room. So the way it's laid out is so nice. I am so grateful for this apartment. We honestly just didn't expect it to be so big. Like 3 bathrooms, it's crazy. But I'm gonna finish up with some laundry and head downstairs to put all my clothes away and organize my dresser. My room definitely needs some work. I need to film a room transformation, but my dresser definitely looks a little bit better now that it's cleaned off. And now to put all my stuff away, I have all these clean clothes here. I need to organize the drawers a little bit. I also have a basket of clean laundry to put away and sort. So we have some work to do here. I have to put these two together because look what I'm wearing today. Yeah, so now these are gonna be matches. Today's video is sponsored by Organic Basics. I am obsessed with these clothes. They sent me this set, which is so cute and so comfortable, and also this bodysuit that you've been seeing in this video. I am just obsessed with how comfortable and movable their clothes are, and not only that, but I love supporting brands like this. Organic Basics believes in comfort and sustainability, and they make sure their products are as sustainable as they can be by using recycled and plant-based materials. They also work with factories that believe in their story. I just feel like brands like this are so good to support. So you can read all about this brand in the link in the description. They also just have some of the cutest and most comfortable designs. You can shop all of these on the website. I feel like these clothes are perfect for this time of year with it being summer and back to school season coming up. I typically wear clothes like this because I love to be comfortable, but I also want to look cute. If you want to shop Organic Basics, you can definitely click the link in my description below. And thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. Now that I have my dresser organized and all of my clothes put away, it's time to make my bed. And honestly, this transforms my room so fast. Like, I don't know what it is, but as soon as my bed's made, everything really comes together. I think it's just the biggest thing in my room. So when it looks clean and perfect, then the rest of the room looks so much better. I don't know why, but having your bed made just transforms your room so fast. And now it's time for more laundry. I don't know how my laundry always builds up so bad, but it's always like one day I wake up and I have literally nothing to wear because everything's dirty and I have to do like 10 loads of laundry for the day. And next I'm gonna be sweeping and mopping the stairs. This is actually kind of embarrassing. Like, I swear I sweep and mop the floors all the time, like at least once a week. But with the stairs in our apartment, we're just always moving up and down stairs, obviously, every single day. way. So these just get so disgusting so fast. And so I definitely need to clean the stairs a lot more often. Okay, so the very last part of this video is going to be cleaning and organizing my desk office room. I love having this room especially. I did an entire video where I decorated and put together my office and desk room. It's my dream to have a room like this, so I absolutely love it. But with that being said, an apartment like this involves so much cleaning, and this room always ends up being the one that I just put everything in when I need it out of the way, which is why my desk looks like this. And also pick up the stuff that's on the couch. Typically when I get gifted products or I have an outfit video I'm filming, I just put it all on this couch, which is exactly what I did at my last apartment too. Is anyone else's salt lamp like constantly leaking? I've never had this problem before, but this one is always wet and I don't know how it gets like that. So please let me know in the comments, what is the problem here? Also, how cute is this? My newest purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. Definitely follow my Instagram and other social medias because I've been super active on all of those, especially for the summertime. I hope this was motivating and positive to watch because a lot of times when I'm cleaning my space, like I need to watch someone else to do it in order to get me up and get started. I love you all so, so much. Thank you for watching and staying until the end, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Mwah.